How to set up name servers to point your domain name to your web host. Now the reason why you want to do this step is so that you can link your newly registered domain name to your web host. Now to do that, simply log into your Namecheap account, your domain registrar, and then go to Domains and Manage Domains, and you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on the domain name you just registered and go to Domain Name Server Setup. This is where you want to enter your two name server addresses provided by your web host. If you're unsure what your name server addresses are, simply contact your web host and request for your name servers. It should have been sent together with your web hosting details. So what you want to do is click on Specify Custom DNS Servers and then enter the two name servers provided by your web host and save changes. So now it should start propagating and your domain name will be linked to your web host.